Every pixel in your phone is colorblind. It usually sees red, green, or blue, never all three. A Bayer filter spreads those colors across a checkerboard, and software rebuilds the missing information from neighboring pixels. That works beautifully, but shrinking the grid eventually becomes a puzzle. How do you give every pixel the whole color signal without making the camera more complicated? A research team at Nagoya University tried stacking the colors instead of tiling them. Their starting material was a zinc-oxide nanosheet so transparent that almost all visible light could pass through one layer. Turn it sideways and it nearly disappears. But transparency created a second problem. The sheet barely reacted to visible light, so the signal was too weak to be useful. The team changed the material by adding gallium. That created electronic trap states inside the nanosheet. When light struck, electrons could be released and held long enough to produce a much stronger measurable response. The paper reports responsivity reaching 800 amperes per watt, while each nanosheet transmitted an average of 99.995% of visible light. Now the layers could work like a vertical relay. The first stage reads across the visible spectrum. Filters and later layers separate the remaining green and blue signals. Red, green, and blue arrive at different depths, but they share one pixel address. In the experiment, that stack decoded all three colors and reproduced full-color images. The detector also kept responding through heat tests above 400 degrees Celsius and through vacuum and humid conditions. That does not mean your next phone already has this sensor. It is still a laboratory device, and manufacturing, speed, noise, durability, and integration all matter before a camera reaches your pocket. But the geometry has changed. Instead of asking how many color pixels can fit side by side, engineers can ask how much color one transparent pixel can hold. One address, three signals, and a camera pixel that is no longer colorblind.